Alright lads, it's time to get moving. If you're new to working out or just looking for a quick routine to get you started, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm taking you through a 10-minute, no-equipment workout designed specifically for beginners. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got jumping jacks. This classic move is perfect for getting your heart rate up and warming up those muscles. Aim for a steady pace, and remember, it's not a race. We're doing 30 seconds here. Ready? Go! Next, we're hitting those push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do a full push-up just yet. Drop to your knees if you need to. It's all about building that strength. Let's do 10 of these. Now, on to squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower yourself like you're sitting in a chair. Keep that back straight and core tight. We're shooting for 15 reps here. Feel that burn. Feeling good? Great. Let's move on to mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and bring each knee towards your chest one at a time like you're climbing a mountain. Keep it going for 30 seconds. Push through. Alright, let's hit those plank jacks. Back into the plank position, and now we're jumping our feet out and in like a jumping jack but on the ground. Another 30 seconds here. Stay strong. Halfway there. Time for some lunges. Step forward with one foot and lower your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Alternate legs and go for 10 reps per side. Keep it controlled. Up next, we're doing bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and bring opposite elbow to knee. Twist and crunch side to side for 30 seconds. Feel that core working. Almost there, lads. Let's do some high knees. Run in place, bringing your knees up as high as you can. Keep those abs tight for another 30 seconds. Push it. Now, we're doing plank shoulder taps. Back into a plank and tap each shoulder with the opposite hand. This is great for your core and stability. Another 30 seconds, you got this. Finally, let's cool it down with some standing toe touches. Reach down and touch your toes, feeling that stretch in your hamstrings. Hold each touch for a few seconds, and let's do this for 30 seconds to wrap it up. You did it. That's your 10-minute, full-body, no-equipment workout. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more workouts. Stay fit, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.